Welcome to today's episode. Today we're working on some carbon fiber fenders on a G37 that's been on the channel forever. So it's getting some fresh carbon vented carbon fiber fenders, fresh. So stay tuned. We're just waiting on my buddy to show up so we can get this on the road. Corvettes are still getting built, Lambo's still getting built, everything's getting built. So stay tuned. Alright, he just got here. Up more. I think that should be okay. So yeah, we're gonna put the fenders on. Get it looking right. Might go drifting tomorrow too, so let's get it. Yeah. Alright. Alright, racing up the car now. Keep going. Feels good, secure. Hasta ahí. Alright, get to work. First, I'm gonna remove the bumper. So, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Bumper's off. Now we're gonna start taking off the headlights and I think we're gonna have to take off the side skirts and all that stuff. So let's do the headlights first. Ready? There you go, headlights are out. Now we're gonna be taking off the fenders one by one. All right, now let's take these side skirts off first. Ready? There you go. Got both side skirts off. And now we can actually remove the fender. So let's get it. There you guys have it. We had to take off the car off the lift to get to this bolt here because putting open the door. Got it out though. Now we're gonna take the other side off and keep going, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys, so let me get this. Oh, there you go, stopped in time. So we're up to here. We're just mucking it up, drill a couple holes. It's looking nice, really nice. So now we're gonna install the other side to get the fitment right in the front and then tighten up everything. It's looking fresh. Black on white, baby, just like my dog. Let's get it. All right, and just like that, we got the other side in. Now we're just going to continue to see how this fits because it's not fitting right. The hood, the carbon fenders, this stuff's not meant to be here, guys. So you gotta make it fit. You gotta cut, you gotta do things, you gotta make holes, right? Mm-hmm. See, you guys gotta put in the work, you know? So let's get it. Let's keep going, guys. All right, so we forgot to film because we got so excited. The car's looking great. So we put the bumper on, the lights on. We didn't plug the lights though. I forgot to plug the lights. But we actually got one of the side skirts on, if you guys can see. There you go. I plugged it in while we're talking over here. Double tasking, multitasking. So we got all this to fit perfectly. There's barely any gaps over here. We still have to mess with the hood to make it fit pretty good. We ran into a problem because he had an accident on this side before. And the thing, you know, it's not 100%, but it looks good, right? It looks better than what we thought. But whatever. We'll find a fix one day. We're just trying to move it, get it done. So let's get it. And she's all packed together. Side skirts good, lights are on. Old fender just fell to the ground. Plus it was in its last leg, so it's given up. But now we got fresh fenders on this thing, carbon joints. They fit like a glove. Well, we made them fit because they were a pain in the butt. Wasn't too bad. I'll give it a 5 out of 10. 5 out of 10. But yeah, let's get it, guys. Stay tuned for the montage. What do they call it? A montage? Go ahead, slam it. That joint is wider. You don't need a spacer. Sheesh. Dang, son. That joint is tucked. That slam? That slam?
Yeah. Why?
I guess.
Well, it's at 50 PSI.
Yeah.
It went up a little bit.
Damn. Huh?
You got it?
I know, perfect.
Hey.
Sheesh. Insane. Just gotta clear the rear and the side skirts, and then it'll look fresh. Comment below if you guys like the new look on my boy's G37, and make sure you guys like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.